What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am here at one of my favorite Dollar Trees. Not my all-time favorite, but definitely one of my favorites. You guys, we have brand new items. We have makeup readers. See clearly when applying eye makeup. These are definitely new, and it has a little toggling lens. You can go from side to side. Wow, Dollar Tree thinks of everything. That's the first time I've ever seen anything like that. But you guys, we have tons of new items down this aisle. We have the brand new Revlon lip colors. It says it's limited edition, and the color is 730. We also have 745, brand new, really pretty, classic, and glamorous colors. 225, 745, and 730. So it looks like we have at least 3 different shades. You guys know these go for a lot more everywhere else. We also have the brand new blender travel cases. Super cute. We have the strawberry, the super cute pear, and look at this. You guys are gonna love this one. So cute. Look at these. Pineapple, strawberry, and pear for your beauty blenders. I feel like I saw something else new down here. What was it? Oh, these are back. The Glitterazzi's by Hard Candy. These are brand new. The Cashmere Silk by Hard Candy, brand new. My store just has this color 1320. We also have the Hard Candy Mattaholic Velvet Mousse Lip Color with the bonus lip liner. What color is this? This is 1532. It's like a purple. Eye markers by LA Colors in blue. We also have brown and black. I feel like I have to take my time down this aisle because there's just so much to look at. I feel like this is also brand new. The brand is B Color, these oval shaped nails. We also have this sort of creamy yellow iridescent. We also have pink, and we have an 80-piece set of nail tips, again by the brand B Color. These, even though they're not labeled, you guys told me these are Hard Candy nail colors. I like this one. This one's cute. Look at that. Super cute. We have a variety of options. Oh, look at that one. This one's kind of cool. I like this combo right here. 2 for $1. Let's look at some of these. We have more by the brand B Color. The metallic French manicure. We also have black and gold, glue not included. These are also brand new. It's like everything got repackaged to this brand B Color. Even these. These are so cute. And these are still here, the Hard Candy Sparkling Roses Glitter Liquid Eyeliners. The packaging is just so pretty on this. Wet n Wild Color Icon Rosé Champagne. Let's see if I missed anything. I want to look at some of these nail polishes over here. think I need to get this. It's like a pretty metallic blue. The color I'm wearing today came from Five Below. But if you're looking for something similar, we do have a silver here. It's probably pretty comparable if you're into silver. Bubble clay mask. Makeup brush cleaners. We have the Tea Tree Daily Cleanser. We have the Watermelon Daily Cleanser. The Wet n Wild brushes. A nice big thing of hand cream. I like the packaging, matches my nails. The Shea hand cream, 6.5 ounces, definitely new. I know I've seen some of the other Power Stick varieties, but I think that one's new. We also have the Cocoa Glow Vaseline body cream. We have lots of powders. Any new deodorants? Let's see. This is still here, the Rosemary and Mint. Simply Venus razors. The Ioni lash glue. And all the Ioni lashes. Wispy, full dramatic, lots and lots and lots of lashes. I know some people come in and they just buy like the whole thing. Oh, these are new. The lash extensions. That's my first time seeing those. I don't think we have any new Bolero items this week. Nope, just the same Bolero items. Let's look behind me. All of the masks, the blemish stickers, the shimmer body mist. Yeah, I'm not seeing any new Bolero items. This location is really big. All of the foam beads to put in slime. This one is so cute. I really like that one a lot. Yeah, you guys, I think that's about it for this video. I'm gonna see what else they have in store and then share yet another video with you here in this location. So definitely come back to my very next Five Below video. Not Five Below, Dollar Tree. I am not in Five Below. Blooper. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.